I'd like to begin by sharing with you the data we have from Bloomberg, which shows Suntory's beverage and food had increased per capita productivity in the past year, and also beverage demand recovered more than alcohol. What's your take on these facts?
Well, first of all, we are capable of investing to another potential area, such as ready-to-drink. To look at the younger generation, there is a strong and potential need that they want to drink a less alcohol beverage. So our soft drink division and the spirits division, they work together to take on the challenge of the space of ready to drink. And in Oceania, that will be the first case, and definitely that first case should be hugely successful. So we are positioned very uniquely against our competitors. So we believe RTD market is a hugely potential to attract more consumers. So we want to be number one in the world.
While you're expanding abroad, the yen is weakening further. Japanese government is also closely watching the situation. How far do you think the yen may weaken, and how long do you think it may last? And do you think the yield curve controlled by the Bank of Japan needs to be amended further? And if so, to what extent?
I think BOJ's management wants to change entire monetary policy toward the economy with the positive interest rate as soon as possible. But I think they need to understand the possible turmoil in the Japanese economy, such as small enterprises, medium-sized enterprises. They will get hurt. So the government has to make a decision that government will help people, but not corporations. I would assume that the Japanese yen might hit around 170, not 150, worse. So how we can resolve trade-offs with many regions. But the key thing is definitely the economy should be driven by the private sector from the government-led. Always our economy has been relying on the state finance from the central government. We have to move toward the economy supported by the private sector-led instead of state finance-led.
Meanwhile, in China, there's something of a whiskey boom, and your company's product is auctioned for more than 100 million yen per bottle. One, how are you going to respond to this boom, or how are you responding to this boom? And obviously you need to have a thought or two about the recent nuclear wastewater issue and how it affects your business in the China market.
We have no plan to expedite exporting our key brands, Hibiki and Yamazaki, which are hugely appreciated by Chinese consumers and drinkers. The reason behind this, we need to take ample time to produce the best quality. The best quality means we have to watch out always the quality, even one bottle. So we are not in a hurry to capture our footprint in China, though we will keep a dialogue with the Chinese consumers, including local authorities, that we will supply our products from Japan. Whatever happens, like the current challenge by the Fukushima water release. So we have long-term vision. We believe there will be huge fans of Suntory whiskey. And the key message to them is we will be there, but we will bring quality to exceed their expectation.